guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a different video for you guys. I am going to organize my nail polishes. Now I've wanted to do this for a very long time, but I haven't found something that works for me. So I didn't want to do holes in the walls and do, you know, that whole nail polish rack on the wall. So I just bought a small rack from Amazon that it goes on your desk really nicely, and it cost me less than $20, and hopefully it works for me. Now I had my nail polishes organized in a way that I couldn't see them, and it was hard for me just to get them and just put them back in. So I wanted to try something different. They all didn't fit there, and hopefully this system works, because if it does, I'll go and buy another one and see how I could arrange them. So without further ado, let's start with this video. Let's start by showing you the before. And this is how it looked afterwards.
Let's start. here are the final results. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and share with friends, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!